Mahon tong rutang ito. Kaya na ba ako? Off the Sampaloc climb. What's up guys? Good morning! Kasama ko si Anay, si Ivan. For this morning, iikot tayo Sierra Madre, the opposite side. Go! Ay, sarap ng road bike. After 2 months ng straight off-roading on gravel and MTB due to the past event, sobrang I miss the road bike very much. I miss the speed and its efficiency. Iba talaga. Anyway, there's one famous loop in our area of Rizal that I haven't done for quite a while, especially on the reverse orientation. Yep. Alam niyo na, the Sierra Madre Loop Reverse. So matagal ko na hindi naiikot to due to the loop being flocked and crowded by motorcycles in Marilake Highway. Recent news, however, informed us that our HPG officers are always around the area already, making Marilake Highway safe again for bikes and motorists alike. So, we'll see if totoo nga ang balita. So we're gonna go around Sierra Madre Loop today in a reverse or counterclockwise direction. So we started off through the highway of Binangonan to Cardona, ABC, no? All the way to Sampaloc, Tanay, where the reverse Sierra Loop starts to be hilly. Total ride is about 100 kilometers, more or less, with a total elevation gain of around 1,450 meters. Naglalaro dyan. So, climbs are, naku, marami to. The whole Sampaloc climb, which is about 15 kilometers. Flowy climbs from Marilake Highway, of course, yung Manukan to Radar, and finally, Mang Vix or Boso-Boso. Exciting kasi malamig talaga doon. So, sige, tara, start na. Palo ka na naman eh. Video nga ako.
Mabagal lang.
Oh. Good morning, dito na kami sa maliit na climb ng Binangonan finally. Medyo ngayon lang lumuwag na kalsada. Kasama ko si Ane, ang i-trap ng Rizal. Sa si Ivan, Bosti, ang tirador ng Marikina. Tira. Okay. So magandang weather. It's 6:55 AM. Unfortunately, tatlo lang kami ngayon. Dapat 6 pero tatlo, hindi na gising yung dalawa. En route na tayo to Sierra Reverse, no? So, mahon tong rutang ito. Makailan ba ahon na? Mga-6, no? 5? So, nandyan tayo sa Sampaloc, ahon ng Sampaloc, ahon ng Manukan. Yes, buso-buso pa Mang Vic. So, mahon talaga siya. Pero, na-miss na namin umahon-ahon eh. So, plus yung fact na sabi nga namin kanina ni Anay, wala na masyado mga motor. So, check natin. Let's find out pretty soon, okay? Go! So, Cardona descent leading to the bayan. On the left, there's a diversion road. Makunat yung ahon nun. Pero this time around, we'll go to the usual route. Diretso lang. Which eventually leads us to one of the most beautiful spots here, which is the Morong rice fields. You can see, no, sa gilid ni Anay, napakaganda talaga ng tanawin. I love passing here, especially at this time, because the sunlight is, just right, literally morning sun, which paints the whole scenery very well. The green gets greener. The colors are very vibrant on this area at this time of the morning, and it's a very good experience, no? So shortly we get now to Titing Caballo, no? It's a major junction here in Rizal, no? Rizal Morong area, no? Okay, we arrive here now at Morong Baras Flats. It's actually the first wide and open area, no, since the area of Cainta where we rode out, no. Oh, by the way, if you're doing Sierra Madre, or if you haven't done Sierra Madre rather, yet, I highly suggest that you do the regular loop first before this reverse. Kasi the gradient, no, the steepness of the climbs on the reverse route, especially Sampaloc, might be too much of a trouble for relatively new cyclists, no. So baka mas gusto nyo sa kabila. Anyway, it's still a Sierra Madre loop, no. Okay din siya. Doon kasi hanggang pauwi umaahon ka eh. Sa regular loop kasi pwede kang mag-highway na lang, no? Like, paano tayo nag-en route? Mas madali doon. Okay, so Sampaloc Junction, Jollibee Sampaloc. You turn left there, no? To continue the Sierra Madre reverse loop. Dito na kami sa may 7-Eleven Sampaloc, no? Bibili na silang stuff. So dito magsisimula yung mga brutal na ahon na. Bahala na. Ako nga kayo, papasal lang.
Talaga ba?
So while adjusting the selfie stick, muntik pa ako madali dito, no?
Uy!
Muntik sa kanal.
Nakala ko, mahulog ako dun sa ano? Nakita mo? Hayop na yun. Anyway, thank you God. Hindi tumuloy dun sa bangi. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Sampaloc Climb. Dito po sikat ang Sierra Reverse na ruta sa tatahakin natin na ahon. Pero medyo may confusion kasi sa cycling world. Pag sinabi kasing Sampaloc Reverse, iniisip lang nila yung ahon na makunat, yung sa dulo, sa may bakasunan. Pero ang totoo niyan, yung ahon starts dito. So about 19 kilometers yun simula dun sa kanto, no? Hanggang sa tok-tok. So mahaba rin. So yan, sabi ko sa'yo, iniwan na ako ng kakwentuhan ko. Kaya mo sila dyan. Enjoy lang. Bahala kayo dyan. Okay, so we get to the most interesting and exhausting part of River Sierra, the Sampaloc climb. Okay, so this climb is about, I would say, this section is about 3.5 kilometers long. Okay, with sharp 2-digit grades, no, at certain parts, particularly 3 parts, no. Tatlong sigo yan. I'm running a semi-compact drivetrain. My crank is 5236T and my cogs are 113412 speed. So hindi naman tayo masyadong mabibitin.
Oh, if you're enjoying the ride and the review so far, I hope you guys could support me by liking and subscribing and sharing, you know, as this will give me more motivation for more future work ahead. So not just road bikes, road trips, also gravel and mountain bike routes and races. Thank you very much.
Okay, so we get to the first steepest part of the Sampaloc climb. Nasusulok siya and the grade, I think magpipick to ng 16 or 70%, pero hahanap ka pa. So after that first steep climb, you get a short recovery here. Hinga-hinga, inom-inom, resume na naman sa pangalawang matarik. Okay, so this is the second steepest part of the infamous Sampaloc climb. Also, one of the best places with the best views. Second mark. And anyway, ito na siya. Medyo makunat. It's around, I would say it's around 12 to 14%. Pero magpipick siya ng mga 15 dun bandan. So yeah, the good thing about this place lang kasi medyo you already acquired some substantial elevation. Malamig na siya. So medyo malamig na siya. may enjoy nyo na siya. Hindi na siya masyado walwal ka pa rin, wasa ka pa rin, pero at least malamig na, diba? Okay, so that's what we climbed. Dito sa likod, isa na lang yung pinakamatarik. Let's resume at the foot of that climb. Okay, so pagdating nyo dito, mga hindi pa po nakaka-reverse share, pinakita nyo po tong area to. Ito na po yung matarik na part, which is also the last. Maigli lang naman siya if you're running on compact or semi-compact and you've got some mileage on your legs already sa ensayo. This wouldn't be a problem at all, no? So ginagawa lang kasi yung road sa tabi niya, which makes it a little bit dangerous for us kasi yan, katulad yan, medyo gitgitan sa sasakyan. So this is the part where it gets especially steep. Yan. Sagad-sagad tayo. Sagad-sagad. 30-40. Pero tuloy lang.
So after that third and steepest part, I met the other two na nauna na, si Ivan and si Anne, and we proceeded to the next part of Sampaloc.
So Sampaloc intersection, kanan Joriels, diretso URS, kaliwa Sierra Madre. Tara, diretso na tayo. Diretso. URS tayo dumaan, may iba naman, para makita rin ng tropa dito kasi kadalasan, alam lang is yung daan doon. Daan tayo dito para makita rin ang tropa. Hindi kaya tayo mabubudol pang dalawang ito. Alam nila yata to. Alam nyo to? Ang daan na to? Ha? Alam mo to? Oo. Wala, madali lang to. Wala na. Wala. Okay to. Wala. Ano si Annie yun? Hindi na sumama yan. Okay, so lusot. Di nila alam. Yes! So konting pampatamis lang sa ruta. Di ba nila alam tong URS para mapakita ko sa kanila yung ganda ng eskwelahan nila.
5 kilometers yung kahon. 281
Nakita mo na. Wala, hindi natin mabudol siya na gumamit ng teknolohiya. Pero pace lang tayo.
Mana ako sa'yo eh.
Yan.
Kaya science tayo.
Si Boss D sana mabudol. Natin panay-tira yan kanina eh. Sana sinisingil na yun. Pagkapangin lang namin tong URS.
So this alternate route going back to Marilake Highway, Sierra Madre route, no, is the URS route. If you want to try it out, pwede, instead of turning left dun sa junction ng Sampaloc, you go straight. It's not really steep. I would say the peak grade would be around 16-17%, though the climbs are kind of jam-packed compared if you would take the regular route on the left of Sampaloc, no. The whole route would just be around 2 kilometers more or less. It's just that itong dalawa talagang mataas ang depensa sa akin. Hindi ko alam bakit. Lagi nilang i-expect na bubudulin ko sila, no? Pero hindi naman. Tumatayo-tayo pa nga. So, masaya. This route is quiet. The traffic is lower and you'll get to see the URS University, no, dun mismo. So, ang labas nito is Marilake.
So, palabas sa akin ng highway, tapos na yung URS Segway climb. This is what the climb is for. You get this view as your reward. Wow, ganda. Medyo hindi ma-capture kasi sa phone, pero when you could be here, ganda talaga siya. Tsaka malamig, no? Tsaka malamig. Hindi na walwal kasi malamig. Ito, may nakitang kainan si... Ha? Diyan tayo? Crosswinds. Pwede. Tara, let's go. So, nandito ang tropa ngayon sa... Saan to? Tanay Crosswinds.
Kasi parang Tagaytay eh.
Oh, ayan yung view niya. So, sarap, malamig, mahangin. Tago, ayan yung orders namin. Ayan si Anay, tsaka si Boss T. Ah, okay dito, may signal eh. May signal kasi sa kahabaan wala. Okay. Kakarga muna kami bago mag-siahon ulit. I think nasa halfway mark to eh, no?
Oh,
Halfway mark to, so tapos na tayo dun sa
halfway mark papuntang Manukan.
Oo. Tapos na tayo sa mga pinakamahihirap naman na ahon, which is yung sa may bakasyonan.
Ay, oo, ano lang siya from here.
Konti na lang yan.
750 meters from here to DNK eh.
Malapit
So
nga.
malapit na nga.
Malapit.
Hindi ko pa lang.
Kaso medyo may mga konting ahon pa kami, which is Manukan,
Kabading.
Kabading. Yun yung dalawa na lang, Manukan sa Kabad. Then, hayahay na. Kaso grabe init dun mamaya.
Feeling ko wala akong problema. Wala akong problema sa init sa ahon.
Aahunin natin ang...
Meron na daw eh.
Talaga?
Sana ganito kasi yung weather has been very kind, no? Simula kanina ba? Ayun, kita naman yung ganda
Sarap
nung...
naman. Sarap dito ha.
Kaya nga eh. Buti...
Reason ko para maghirap.
Buti nakita ni Boss T. So yun, kain muna kami, kwentuhan, relax.
Nakita ko to pero ayoko pa din.
Ito sa mga reward talaga sa pagbabike, yung mga gantong lugar. Okay.
Ayoko kasing kumakain sa...
Kain muna kami.
Hindi pong pagod ka.
So kakain lang namin, tuloy na po ang Kalbaryo. Manukan, tapos Mang Vic's, Boso-Boso. Yun na lang po yung last. Pero maganda pa rin naman yung panahon, hindi pa rin nakakawalwal. Let's hope hanggang sa dulo. Ganito. Yung huwag na sana umulan. Okay, let's go. Tigo de Pino area. Puyambay, Kalua. May trail dyan. I love this part. And I kind of missed it.
You know, one thing I noticed after using a gravel and mountain bike for the longest time on trails is that indirectly it improved my cornering skills on the road. I don't know if it's just a psychological thing or maybe it's really my skills on cornering, but look, I'm cornering at 60 kph. I never did that before, no? So the mountain bike and the gravel bike may have taught me a lot, especially on skills and handling, no? So there you go. So I'm very happy to see here in Devil's Corner that HPG officers are here. They're stationed here. I didn't even see one motorcycle or motor big bike, whatever, na nakatambay, which is very good news for us cyclists and motorists.
So Manukan, Devil's Corner climb. Very safe. Nandun yung mga tropa natin, HPG. Making sure na wala ng motor, no? Kasi ginagawa siyang tambayan, ginagawa siyang parang stunt area. This place had an accident just recently which unfortunately took a life of one motorist, no? Which really set an alarm dito sa area. Sad lang na may namatay pero sana hindi na umabot sa ganun. Anyway, the coast is literally clear of motorists na bumabangkit. So, mga siklista dyan na natatakot sa Sierra like myself can now, again, do the Sierra Loop, reverse or regular, peacefully.
So while climbing Devil's Corner en route to Radar, we find a friend. Isa to sa mga sleep well, no? Na nag-antay na lang dito. Si paring Eric.
Ito na po pinakaungas ko pong kaibigan. Ganyan po ang itsura ng mga hindi nagigising sa ride.
Liwan ako.
Tama. Okay, so nandito tayo sa... Ano ba ito? Radar? Radar. Andito po yung hindi nagising. Ayan po yung tropang may Yan po, pinakamagandang bigote po yan sa Kainta.
Siya po yung sleeper.
Yan po.
Pinagtulong namin sa labas ng village.
Wala, tagal lumabas ang ano ko eh.
Yan. O ano, tara na.
Tatlo na kaya? Akala ko kasama si Dennis.
Hindi.
Wala, si Lipwell din. Tropa mo rin, pati si Sam.
Mana-mana lang.
O tara, lusong tayo. Ingat ha.
Yan.
Bawal!
Kahit kailan talaga itong sponklong na to. Anyway, last descent na to from Radar, no? And we're gonna be heading to the flats na and finally Mang Vix.
Huling climb ng Reversera. Mang Vix.
Reversera, the best.
Sige, magmura pa. Dadagdag ka pa sa trabaho.
Sarap na reverse, Pixie.
So, pagpasensyahan nyo na po ito. So, ito na po yung huling climb natin. Masaya kasi nakasama yung panahon. Hindi mainit. Usually, marami pong araw dito. Napakainit. So, that's the Reversera. No, for you, I will be posting a GPX of that route. Sa mga hindi pa nakakasubok, gusto nyo i-try, click nyo lang, download nyo. Pwede nyo subukan. If you like the content, nakatulong naman sa inyo kahit paano. I hope you would like, share, and subscribe. Doon na!
Click na lang.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So thanks, guys. And we'll see you next time.